Hey everybody, how you doing today? Well, I have got the first couple days of a UPS PVD under my belt. A couple days ago I got an email message, text message, and they wanted me to come in for a couple hours to do that check ride that the supervisor had mentioned. We went out for a couple hours with one of the managers and showed me the ropes. First off, they have, at least at my hub, phones available for you, so you don't have to use your own phone. I think they're Samsung Galaxy S7s or S8s, and that I have an S7, but the app, the mobile app, is installed on that, and that is what you use to deliver the packages. So after showing me how to log onto the phone, and that was pretty straightforward, in the online training they kind of covered that, and it was pretty close to what you needed to do, with some exceptions of the specific information of the hub and so on. But anyway, so he showed me the phone, and then we loaded up the Expedition with a couple hours worth of work, and then me and the manager went out and delivered the packages. Then the next day I went out by myself with a few hours worth of work. It turned out to be about 6 hours worth of work. The area that I was initially located in is university housing, and those areas with those massive apartment complexes can be rather daunting. You know, everything's on a curved road, the building numbers and names, the floor levels. Some of that, there's a method to their madness. It's just a matter of finding the right building. And part of the problem, in my opinion, there is the way the complex is laid out. You may be driving alongside of a road or a parking lot, but the numbers to the building and the street signs that indicate what the building is on the other side of the building, which is a part of the courtyard of, say, a complex of 5 buildings in a circular fashion. And a lot of stair step and a lot of stairmaster. But since then, about halfway through yesterday, as I had indicated that they had indicated, they're going to change me over into my town of Nevada, a few miles outside of Ames, and I will meet up with a driver there and then take some of his packages and then go deliver them, and then he'll go back to the hub, or then I'll meet up with him again, and that's the way we're going to be doing that. They gave me the phone. I'll keep it charged up, and then I can log in and punch in and do my mileage on the phone app with the phone that they gave me. And so anyway, I had a system started with that apartment complex, figuring out the roads and everything, and I was there for 2 days, and actually, quite frankly, I'm rather relieved that I'm going to be doing it in my town, which is mainly house deliveries and such. That apartment complex, I'll tell you what, I was feeling it yesterday after doing all them stairs. Okay, so that's all I've got for you today. My personal experience with my hub and the people that I'm working with was just fantastic. Nothing to report in any way that's negative. The phone app seems to be very pretty much intuitive. I had some signature deliveries yesterday. I had one person that was not there, so I learned to use the info notice. Pay attention to what they tell you. Pay attention to how the phone works. If you got any kind of technological experience, you know, you work your way through the app, and it's just really no big deal. Then it's driving around, finding the right address, and dropping off the packages. Okay, that's all I got for you today, guys. Thanks very much, and we'll get back to you soon.